Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are learning today that the first new features of 26H2, or what Microsoft calls the 2026 update, are going to start rolling out to insiders in April. And so beta and dev channel will be getting all sorts of new features and improvements, and this is now going to start to roll out. Once they actually go through all the hoops and go into the release preview and the beta and release preview, they will eventually be pushed to everybody. So what this means is that instead of having a big 26H2 update that you have to install later this year, all the features will be rolling out slowly, and of course with the Microsoft way of doing things, which means some will have them immediately, some will have them later, and of course there will be a switch that will be sent out, a toggle switch that Microsoft sends through Windows Update to enable some of the features for people. But when we get to 26H2 officially, when that new version appears, the updates, the new features and the changes will already be in your PC. Some of them will be still, sleeping, and some of them will be enabled. And as time when it goes by, new and more of these new features and changes will appear. So this is starting this month. And they are saying that when they start rolling out to regular users, one of the things that you can do if you don't want to be on the insider rings is to get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Switch at on, which will enable you to have some of these features before others. So kind of interesting to see what's happening, and will be interesting to see the changes. There's going to be a lot of little things. I'm going to make a video kind of going through some of the features that they're talking about that they want to change. A lot of things that I think will make some users happy. And I think this is the year where Windows 11 is getting kind of fixed in some way, so that people just are happy to have all of the features they've been asking for forever, and more. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.